Everyone, it's Jordan Barnes of BSN Sports. I hope you are having a wonderful day and you are enjoying this wonderful sunshine that we have. It has been hot and an enjoyable summer so far. I wanted to send a follow-up video to the email I sent last week, kind of an introduction to myself, and now a little bit of an introduction to our technology side of our business and how you can access so many features. I'm going to keep this video short, so please be attentive. Please pay attention if you have time and enjoy everything that we have to offer. So first and foremost, for those of you guys that know our business, I want to thank you, okay? I want to thank you for your partnership, for being a loyal and dedicated customers. I'm going on my 9th year of doing this, and I got to tell you, I've built some of my best friendships with the people that I've worked with through this company. So thank you for being loyal and committed to BSN Sports. It is our 50th year anniversary this year. So we can tell you that our business is thriving. We're doing extremely well, and we can't wait to see what the future holds. The future has been amazing for us. Even in the 8 or 9 years that I've been working, I've seen so much technology advances, and you guys are all a part of it, which makes it even more exciting for me. So first and foremost, you guys are checking out our bsnsports.com website. We have so many options and opportunities for you as coaches. Now, the question that I always get from everyone is, well, what do you guys do? You name it, we do it, okay? Branding, marketing, apparel, equipment, uniforms. I could go on and on about all the things we offer. Just simply ask me, okay? If you're stuck in a project or you need something done, let me know and then I can headhunt for you. We have amazing team specialists that work in Dallas. We also have territory managers that help us, sports specialists that know sports inside out. We have a corporate division. There are so many aspects to our business that you guys can take advantage of. Now, I'm going to quit with the talking so much, and we're going to go right into some stuff here. So if you're a coach or a business owner and you're looking for some polos, simply type in the word polo in our search engine, and boom, you're going to have access to all of the polos that are in stock, in inventory right now. Now, we all know that we've had supply chain issues over the past 2 years due to COVID, and I still see that lingering. But moving forward, I think our inventory for all brands, all vendors is going to get a lot better. And I think you're going to see that a lot of the ordering issues that maybe you've had with other companies is a lot better, definitely including ours. Second question I get, hey JB, is the price shown the price that we have to pay? Absolutely not. If you're seeing this video and you're a partner with myself at BSN and you work with me directly, you're going to get a significant team discount, okay? Now, depending on the vendor, depending on what partnership we have and what type of discounts we have, that will determine what price you pay, okay? Now, we're working with Nike, Under Armour, Puma, Jordan. We are their biggest partner, so that means we have the biggest discounts with them. Take advantage of those brands if you can, okay? We also have our own line, BSN Sports line, that has amazing pieces, all quality, all really nice garments. And again, because they are our brand, our company, we set the pricing, and they are very, very nice pricing, okay? So I wanted to start by saying that. When you click on an option, I'm not going to do it, but when you click on an option, it's going to show every color available, every size of it available. You don't have to go on and ask me, hey, do you have this in this size? It's going to show you, okay? Now, if you're looking for something that's like a specialty polo, or if you want to make something custom, then by all means, let me know what I can do to help you, okay? So that is the first and foremost thing that you guys probably have to understand the most. That is the pricing that you see, right? Now, if you want to sub-filter by apparel or footwear or team uniforms, equipment, if you're a PE teacher, you need equipment, at your facilities, just let me know and I can help you. You can see we have just about everything you need on. Basically, if you can think of it, we can get it for you. I'm going to go back to our homepage here, and I'm going to actually provide this link for you in the email below, or in this email. I would highly advise you keep this somewhere, maybe on like a bookmark or something. This is our vault to all of our catalogs, okay? And catalogs are important for many reasons. One, our top 3 catalogs are probably the most important because you're gonna be able to see every brand that we carry and all the equipment that we carry. So just sticking to our catalogs are good. However, if you're a Jordan nut and you like Jordan apparel, You can click on Jordan Apparel or Nike, and you can filter by vendors, all right? You can also filter by subcategory, sport. So if you're a lacrosse coach, we're going to hit you with all of our lacrosse options that we have. If you're a golf coach, it's going to filter you to some of our golf offerings. Okay. Same thing with soccer. It's just kind of a way for you to kind of eliminate all the other sports you don't want to see. So bsnsports.com/vault. And again, I will link that to you in this email. So keep that bookmark. That would be highly wise of you. Now, let's get to the bread and butter of what I wanted to show you. Team Art Locker. Every one of you has access to over thousands of art templates that you can use for your program, your school, your business. And it's easy to set up. And when I say you have thousands of templates, it's probably more like close to 1 million templates in ways that you can change fonts, text, colors, and so on and so forth. So I'm the boys basketball coach at Lakes. I'm just going to show you how amazing the system is. Again, you have access to this, okay? So just for basketball alone, I only have basketball filtered in my subcategories. We have 12 pages of designs for basketball, okay? 12 of them. It's like this for all the sports. I'm going to just click on a logo here that, I wanted to just kind of show how our system works here, okay? So once you click a logo or design or template that you like, you're going to filter, we're going to put it on a product. We're going to show you what it looks like right now. No more waiting for art approvals from your sales rep anymore. I like Legend t-shirts. I'm going to put this logo that I chose on a Legend t-shirt. I'm going to use color logic here, okay? I'm going to choose a location, which in this case is full front. Actually, I'm going to make it center chest, so I don't need it to be as big, okay? So I'm going to press continue. I have it going on a Navy Legend, and boom, I have access to that design, to that template, and it's now on a Legend t-shirt as a visual proof for you, okay? I'm going to flip these colors because I don't know if I like the orange and the white the way it's set, so I'm going to do that, okay? I think that looks pretty good. Because it already says Lakes here, I'm going to make it say Lancers basketball, okay? And you know what? I don't necessarily want that mascot per se. I might use another mascot. Let me just use my my L here. We'll change it to that. That looks pretty good. And just like that, we have artwork that is ready for you and your team shop, or if you want to order in bulk, you can. But just like that, it's ready to go. You can change the size, the placement of it. Want it center chest, lower, bottom, left, right, up, down. You can change the size. Again, I chose center chest, so it's a smaller logo. If I wanted to go full front, it would obviously be full front chest. Here's the kicker. When you're done creating the art, you can save it. Okay? It saves to your Team Art Locker. So then when you open up a team shop, I'll now have access to look at it. And then it's going to be right in your saved art folder, like so. How cool is that, right? So I can actually set up a screen share with anybody that wants to have maybe some more hands-on experience with this, but it's pretty self-explanatory. I know a lot of the customers who have used this absolutely love it. We're not limited to just screen print. We have embroidery set up for all of these. So if you need help with this, by all means, reach out to me. Again, I would say over 1 million templates or ways that you can change logos around, and I think that is just amazing. So take advantage of Team Art Locker. That being said, we're going to talk about my team shops, which a lot of you guys have kind of stayed away from for the past year or two because of supply chain issues. Do not do that anymore. We are locked and loaded, ready to go. We have millions and millions of dollars worth of inventory in stock on our shelves in Indianapolis and in Dallas. And as I'm scrolling and talking, you can see how much of this product is available to you and your programs and your customers, okay? The opportunities are endless. All of those garments can use a design of your liking, and we can save them and get these things rolling. Getting a store set up takes no more than 30 minutes. I tell everybody, choose 8 to 12 items that you want everybody to have. Let's get your logo on it, and we can have that store open basically as soon as possible. And then after that experience is done, you can go right into your online shopping, which is so intuitive, so nice. Thanks to Silicon Soccer for being an example here for us. But this coach had lots of logo ideas that he wanted for his ladies soccer team, and I'm going to show you kind of what that looks like from a shopping experience standpoint. You can click on the item that you like, what size you want, okay, and you can add it to the order. I'm just going to choose an extra large. When you're done, you simply go up to the top, scroll, check out. You can also look at what other people have bought. If you don't want to, you can check out, and then it's going to probably give you some opportunities to come in and buy a drink carrier or some footwear. If you don't want to, that's fine. Just skip the checkout, and just like that, you're ready to rock and roll. Everything ships 3 to 4 weeks from when the store closes. Customers pay with their credit card. It ships direct to their house. You don't have to manage any orders, and there's 24/7 customer service. So if there's an issue with an order, we have people back in Indianapolis and Dallas that are ready to help you guys with that. So I know that's a ton of information. If you guys have any questions at all, do not hesitate to reach out to me. I am behind my computer 95% of the time. Like I said, I'm ready to help with anything that you might need. All that being said, hopefully you guys are going to enjoy these last couple of days of beautiful weather. And I myself am going to head out right now. So take care of yourselves. This is Jordan Barnes of BSN Sports. Feel the strength, 50 years strong. We appreciate all of you guys. Take care now.